Hi my amazing planner friends, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my Sadie Stickers monthly subscription. This is the subscription for August, which has some stunning artwork. I'm going to go ahead and insert her storyboard. She always does this, so you have an idea of what's coming that next month, and the artwork is stunning this month. So this is a $25 a month if you have it every month subscription, and comes with so many stickers. I can do at least 2 spreads in my 7x9 planner, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert an image or two here of me doing that so you have an idea of what that looks like. Alright, I thought this would be the easiest way to kind of show you what you can get out of these kits, and I will link this particular subscription. I can't remember off the top of my head what month this was, so I'll find it and I'll link it above. But this is a spread that I did back in May. And yes, I didn't come back and fill in these. It was one of those weeks. But you can see it worked quite nicely. And then what I ended up doing this last week is I took the leftovers from that kit and made this spread. So you really can have 2 entire weeks. I've also used this to go back and plan in, say, like a Hobonichi or something like that, so you can have different planners and such. But that just kind of gives you an idea. And I did have some stickers, not a ton, left over after this, but it gives you a good idea of the versatility of the kit. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this subscription. I'm excited to see what's in this month. I did go ahead and cut the perforation here just because these perforations do have a tendency to not tear super well. Oh, look at it. Oh, we have rose gold this month, which works great with fall. Love the florals that she chose. So let's start with the traditional kit here. So you get 9 full boxes, which are always stunning. And I just love the fullness of the colors this month and everything. The purples with the maroon, and just so stunning. And the addition of the butterflies, because I'm a butterfly girl. So perfect. This month's quote is, "If you look the right way, you can see that the world is a garden." So pretty. And we have the foiled little coffee ring over here. I think that's really pretty as well. And you just have little bits of foil on these, so it's not overwhelming. I do like I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but there are foiled flowers at the bottom of this box, and that's really pretty as well. So you get your full boxes, and then you get these little swatches at the bottom, which are really fun to play with. Then you have your boxes page, pretty self-explanatory. I love the variety. I do kind of wish that we had more of these boxes, to be honest, especially the lace ones. I'm really taken with those, but the variety makes for a really interesting spread, and it just works really well together, and you have a lot to work with. She does make these so you can layer and that type of thing very easily. She does have some boxes with foil on them, but not every box, and a few boxes with some floral. But it really lends to being able to decorate yourself. Then we have this page, which she calls the functional page. So we have a few more swatches over here. These really beautiful ovals with the florals. I especially love those. We have some torn paper elements. We have the 3-bow checklist through here, which are really great for functionality. We have habit trackers. We have a Monday through Sunday, and then we also have this box that you can either decide to use in your sidebar or switch it out for a day in the week where things are really busy if you want to be able to write on it or something of that nature. And then at the top we do have our dividers. She does make her dividers rather slim, which I love because it allows me to have more functionality in my spread. I'm not a huge dividers person, but if I am going to use dividers, it's usually from her kit. Then we have our washi page. So this has, of course, your traditional washi strips here. You have a larger strip, which is probably a 15mm and a 5mm strip here. You have some even, I think these are thinner than the dividers you get over here. And then you also get these 2 lace trimmed strips here, which I really grown to love. You get a little bit of deco over here, and then you have your days of the week, which are a little smaller than your traditional ones, which make it really nice if you're decorating the top of your page and things like that. It gives you more room. So that's the traditional kit. And then in addition to that, you get all the extras. So she does include now a foil sampler that kind of coordinates with the kit. We have these little swatches that you would have, so you see these ones here. So you can make more boxes like that or something else. She has these tree branches. These are the branches that you see here, only slightly bigger. The butterflies are the butterflies that you see here, and then the florals down here are the florals that she used here, and then we just have some dots to kind of fill in, which are very delicate looking there, which I think is going to be really nice. It makes me think of pollen actually right now, and I think that's just because my allergies have been so bad. Oh, and we also have the coffee ring, which we saw down here on this page. So really nice addition. She will sometimes have these in her shop on like a $2 Tuesday and that kind of thing. So if you really like these particular ones, I would check out her $2 Tuesdays, which usually go up on Tuesday and then stay for essentially the rest of the week. Then we have our florals, which these are our floral trims. So we have 2 nice big swatches, and then you have kind of your day dividers. I tend to use these on the sides because it's kind of like already having a pre-cut element that I can pull in to the side of my column, but I've seen them used a lot of different ways. Then we have here's the other floral page. That's what I was looking for to show you together. It's a lot of florals, and I like the fact that we have big florals, we have littler floral clusters, we have individuals, so you can make your own if you're so inclined. I'm not super good at that, so I don't tend to do a lot of that, but they work great if you're combining them with like an icon or something of that nature. And it is like a full-size floral sheet, which you don't often see. And then you get your journaling page. It does come with another set of Monday through Sundays. That does make it easy to expand the kit and use it for multiple weeks without having to bring in outside stuff. Then we have torn paper elements down here, as well as some washi tape elements, some really cute little paper elements here. We have a few more of those. You have this unique arch. I love this one right here. It makes me think of back to school, which is really on my brain because school starts tomorrow, which is probably when this video will go up. And then we also have these gorgeous, gorgeous stamps, which are just, I love the stamps. I love the way they look. I love the outline of them, just everything about them. You also get a few pieces of deco in here usually. It looks like this month there's only really the butterfly and then these 2 little elements here, which is fine. You get lots of other deco. And then you also get this deco page, which is kind of like her monthly deco page. So it's bigger elements. It's great for using if you're going to make your own spread for, like, say your monthly spread and just pull in like a big monthly script or something like that. I've also used these big florals to use as a replacement for one of the full-size boxes, and that works really nice. You can make nice scenes and stuff, so they're very versatile. Love the music. I'm sure I'm going to use that. And a night when the kids have some kind of recital or something. We have these 2 huge floral elements, some larger torn paper. We have some frames. These will be really fun to work with, and it looks like she's cut the inside so you can really use it as a frame if you want to, and then you can use that inside box as a box, which is really nice. We have these paper elements up here, a few more butterflies or moths, the key, just a lot of really fun elements through here. So, oh, and that looks like a wax seal. She had a couple of months ago date dots that were wax seals, so maybe this will be a great opportunity for me to use those. So that's everything there is in this month's kit. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I will. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.